check out this jewelry tool helper. So this is how it looks. Mine is in color silver, but they do have it in different colors. So let me show you. You see this beautiful bracelet for my wrist. So what I want to do is grab this part that I'm going to get here, and with one hand I want to go around and just snap it. So you can see here I'm able to grab this and I'm able to put it on very easily. So this is how I usually put on my bracelets. It also helps with necklaces, and it's a very great gift to give to someone like me that loves jewelry, or if you want to take it in the car and just put the jewelry while you're in a red light or stop sign. This is also great. I hope you check it out, and thank you for watching.